Welcome to week 7. I hope everyone's having a good week and you're not too sick or you're not too overwhelmed with school or classes or whatever you're doing. We are reaching a midpoint in our class, which is this is a fun period for me because now we can really start to think about and look at and explore those concepts about what does it take to teach online. In doing that, we are going to, for this week, focus in on our homepage of our learning management system. And I will put additional instructions and directions of what I'm looking for regarding you to start building a homepage. A key element to the homepage is some kind of an introduction of who you are, how they contact you in a school setting, and the overall design of your page. I have a pretty good idea of what I think is an effective design. There's a lot of people out there, a lot of researchers, instructional technology specialists that have ideas, but I have a kind of an idea of what allows a student to be fluid in your class from a design point. And so we're going to focus in on that with your learning management system. In addition to that, what I need you to do is I need you to start thinking about a lesson, a standard, a concept, some kind of an academic unit. Whether you want to call it a unit, a module, or whatever, something that you can focus in on. And what we're going to do for the remaining part of the semester is not only build on our learning management system, your website, but also build a unit of instruction. For example, if you are a math teacher and you are introducing the coordinate plane and quadrant 1 to your students, well, that would be the focus of your unit or your module. And what we're going to do is we're going to build, hopefully, an effective unit that you can use in your classroom. Whether it's this year, at the end of the year, or whether it's next year, I'd like you to leave 8 weeks from now with something that you can say, okay, I can roll this out. I can use Twitter, or I can use some type of a concept mapping tool to actually deliver this lesson. So you also need this week to also start to think about and share with me what kind of a concept you'd like to address. As far as other assignments, we're going to, you have a Twitter assignment, but your Twitter assignment this week is up to you. You just need to post something and share with some of your classmates, including myself, some kind of a concept, a thought, an idea. You can see something and retweet it. You can write an original thought or idea, but that's our Twitter assignment for the week. In addition, we're going to focus in on what I have in the syllabus is Chapter 6. And I'm going to work on that today as far as trying to figure out and match up our chapters. I may be off a little bit, but whatever your Chapter 6 is in your textbook, you need to read that. And that's going to be part of our discussion questions for this week. We're going to have 2 discussion questions this week. I hope you kind of like the video questions that I have. I know they may seem a little bit out there and you may be asking, what is this all about? Part of my thought with discussion questions is stimulating thoughts and ideas that are not normal thoughts and ideas. It does relate right back to our class and the purpose of this class, but I like to be a little bit more, how can I say, engaging with our discussion questions instead of them being dry. Instead of it being like read chapter this, and although we're going to do that this week, read chapter 6 and then answer this question. I like video questions. I like that level of interactivity. As usual, if you have any questions, just let me know, and let's have a good week 7.